Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys are having a very nice day. In this video, I'm gonna walk through fix it seems that another app is blocking access to Google Play. So if you cannot just install any app in Google Play Store, so for that at first just long press on your Google Play Store like this. Now click the info icon. Now after clicking it, at first click the bottom last option, clear data and clear cache. And if clear cache isn't working, just click on clear all data and select OK. And if it is not working again, just click the bottom option uninstall updates and click on OK. After that your problem will be solved. And if it is still not solved, then you can just do another thing. Just go to settings and just search for display over other apps. This option, click on it. Now just click on this option, display over other apps. Now just all you need to do is turn on these options. Now all you need to do is just turn on these options. And after turning on all the options, your problem will be solved. So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Team channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.